Hello, this is Ian Stark for NewBlue FX with a 60-second studio tutorial to show you Roll from the Transitions collection. With Roll, you can simulate everything from a Vegas slot machine to a broken movie projector. But in this example, I'm going to create a simple but elegant transition that combines a dissolve between frames with a push up. So I'll start by adding the Roll transition to my clips, and you can get a good feel for what Roll does just from the default values. I'll increase the duration of the transition to 25 frames, and of course I do that in my NLE. Back in the Roll transition, and I'll change the rate to 10, the blur to 10, and I'll increase the crossfade to 60. Finally, I'll change the orientation of the roll from horizontal to vertical. Now I think that's a really elegant transition, much nicer than your everyday simple push. Be sure to check out Roll and the entire line of video effects and transitions at www.newbluefx.com. Thanks for watching.